Hello, this is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope you guys are doing okay. My topic today is the continuation of operational amplifier. This is part 3. So what I have in front of you is an OpAmp, okay? And then this is V sub 1, this is V sub 2. And on this terminal right here, you always have non-inverting voltage. And on V sub 2, which is negative, you have inverting voltage, okay? And then this right here, plus 10 and minus 10 is the power supply, the power which is needed to run the operational amp to put it in the active mode. And this right here is V sub out, okay? So now, because of this plus 10 and minus 10, the characteristics of the output voltage is a sinusoidal wave, okay? This right here is 0. It goes up to 10, and then goes down to negative 10, okay? So this is the characteristic of the output when you have a power supply right here. Now, let's look at what is V sub out, okay? So V sub out is basically V1 minus V2 times the gain, okay? Now, gain is a constant, basically constant, which they say it's K is equal to 200,000. But in reality, honestly, it's infinity, okay? Now, if you look at this gain right here, in this particular case, if you calculate the gain, or let's say if we calculate the V sub out, okay? So V sub out will be equal to V sub 1 minus V sub 2. We're looking at this example right here, where we have V sub 1, 1 volt, V sub 2, 0 volt. And then power supply plus 10 and minus 10. So V sub out in this case is going to be V1 minus V2, which is 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 times the gain, which is 200,000. So then V sub out, according to this, is 200,000 volts. This is impractical. You can't really have 200,000 volt, okay? So the characteristic of OpAmp, basically what it does is that the maximum or minimum you can go is up to whatever is supplied by the power source. So in this case, the power source plus is plus 10, minus is 10. So then, practically speaking, in reality, you can have maximum of 10 volt, maximum, and or you can have V sub out maximum of minus 10, minimum is minus 10, okay? So keep that in mind. This constant is 200,000, but in reality, it's infinity because of the high impedance. And then in this particular example, if this is 1 volt, this is 0, the gain, the V sub out, we are getting, based on the calculation, based on this, we get 200,000, but in reality, we can only top up to plus 10 or minus 10, which is the voltage supplied by the power supply. And by the way, this right here is called saturated voltage, okay? So you have to keep this in mind, that this right here, plus 10, minus 10, they are classified as saturated voltage. So thanks for watching this short lecture. I'm going to come back and we're going to have more fun with operational amplifiers. So stay tuned. Thank you.